In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs offline on your PC. There are times when you might need to work on documents without an internet connection, and thankfully, Google Docs has a feature that allows you to do just that. Let's dive into how you can set this up quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Docs. This can be done by heading to your browser, entering the URL, and logging into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll notice the menu bar at the top of the page. In the top left corner, there's a button labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. The option you're looking for is Make Available Offline. Click on this, and a prompt will appear, instructing you to install an extension. This extension is vital because it enables offline functionality. When you see the prompt to install, click on Install right away. This will set the process in motion. A new window will pop up. This is where Google Offline steps in. Don't worry, this is a standard part of the procedure. In this new window, you will find an option called Add to Chrome. Click on that as well. This will trigger another pop-up asking for confirmation to add Google Docs offline. At this point, you'll simply need to click Add Extension. Congratulations, the extension is now being added to your browser, seamlessly integrating this new offline capability. Once that's complete, navigate back to your Google Docs window. Click on File again and choose Make Available Offline one more time. You should now see a small notification indicating that your documents are not available offline. This confirmation is your success signal. The setup is all done. And just like that, you've successfully configured Google Docs to work offline. This feature is incredibly useful for when you're on the go or in places without reliable internet access. You can now create, edit, and save documents without a hitch. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Engaging with our content not only helps the channel, but also keeps you updated with more tips and tricks just like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy documenting.